that we're recording, and I've got the back camera on. Oh, and welcome and good morning to Tamworth. This is my second day of riding down to Melbourne, and then on to Devonport for a 5-day ride extravaganza through Tasmania. So lovely night, nice and cool, I should say, with the air conditioning. It's getting hot again. I don't even know what the temperature is, but I can feel the sweat dripping down my back, and that's not a nice feeling. Anyway, today is going to be just about 2 hours of freeway riding, making sure we don't break the speed limit, because we know what happened yesterday. Zips are all up, everything's on, all looks good, nice and tight, lock it up, yep, and we're good to go. There you go. So let's go. And the cameras are working. Went to jump on the bike and realised the front forward facing camera, excuse me, was not even working. So I had to get it all set back up again. And I was going to say I have a hitchhiker, but he's gone. Okay, here we go. I'll be in Katoomba roughly 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It'll probably be about 3 stops. And 438 k's, so not a long day on the bike compared to yesterday. I think it was nearly 700, 800, oh that's nice. Okay, so we're on our way, and I won't start recording again until we get to the Putty Road. Now the Putty Road is a winding road, very, very lovely. So I'll start recording when I actually get to that location. So we'll leave the recording there, and we'll chat to you soon. Well, I hope this is recording. Just coming into Scone, or Scone, oh, it's not Scone, it's actually pronounced Scone. And if you can see that, the temperature is, it's just dropped to 35.5 from 36 degrees. So, oh, it's hot. Very, very hot. I can understand now why Rob and Catherine are coming down, but they're doing an evening run. It is because it's a lot cooler, but I'm sorry, I get freaked out by kangaroos and wildlife on the road at night time, and you don't see them until the very last moment. So I prefer to ride during the day, but in doing so, you also get the high temperatures. So I would definitely stop in the next 40 minutes and getting some refreshments. Don't need fuel, got plenty of that. And here we are in Scone, and we've just been stopped by the railway, because this is coal all going to Newcastle to be shipped overseas for smelting operations, I would say, and also for burning to make electricity. So it is a very a very long train. Oh, that's it. Hallelujah. Now we can get going. Have to wait for the red lights to go out. Can't move until they go out. There they go. And we can go. Love the quick shift on this. I know I've said it, but I'm going to say it again. Quick shift, perfect. Throttle, now that I've had nearly 2,000 k's with this bike, is shit. The Euro 4 just has ruined the bike, and the wonderful power this bike has, and just the broad spread of power that you can get, it's all gone because of what they've done to that throttle. And it definitely will be changed by the time I get back into Brisbane. sometime mid to late January. That ECU will be ripped out and sent to the States because I hate it, I really do. Here we go, this is the train that I just waited for. If you look, you can probably see down where the locomotives are, but incredibly long. See if I can stand up and get a better look at the length as we go over this crest. Oh. All this coal is due for export. See, there you go. You see the two locomotives on the screen. Oh, okay. You have to get back down. Got to be responsible. Okay. As I said before, thanks for watching, and keep on watching. There'll be more to come. Just a quick stop here at Muswellbrook to grab a lot of water. At 36 degrees, I was just getting way too hot. I don't think this guy is recording anymore. Looks like she's out of power. But yeah, been going well. Next stop will be just before the Putty Road starts. I'll probably grab some more water to drink. It's oh, sorry, I'm trying to get a fly to get away from my face. Okay guys, that's it. Let's move on, and the next video will be start of the Putty Road and hopefully some cooler weather. Okay, so here we go, the Putty. Choose speed for the cyclists. The skies are up. I know it's going to be a bit windy, but I won't talk, I'll just ride. That's most of the twisties, guys. Oh, closes up. That's most of the twisties, guys. So I hope you enjoyed it. Back to 100 Ks, and we'll leave it there. And that was the Putty Road. Okay, so just coming up to the Grey Gum Cafe here on the left, where I'm going to take a serious rest. I'll tell you what, this hot weather has been sucking the life out of me. here on the left if I can remember correctly. There you go, perfect. Grey Gum Cafe. A well-earned rest, I can tell you that now. Oh, perfect, absolutely perfect. Okay, let's get all the gear off, have a massive drink of water, and get something to eat. Hallelujah, we're here.